Hello students, in this video we will discuss how to find out the area and perimeter of all type of quadrilateral. So suppose this is a quadrilateral. So how to find out the area of this quadrilateral? If one diagonal is given, suppose this is A, B, C, D. This diagonal AC length is given X, and from D to AC the perpendicular length is given A, and from the point B to AC the perpendicular distance is given here B. So how to find out the area of this quadrilateral? Look, this diagonal divides this whole quadrilateral in two triangles. So just find out the area of these two triangle and add it. Then you will get the whole area of this quadrilateral. So how to find out the area of this ABC? It will be nothing but half into base into height. So base is taken here AC, that is X, into height is here B, plus now you have to find out the area of ADC. So this is half into base is here X and height is A. Just add them, you will get the answer. Now from here you can take common half into X, and here is left B and here is left A. So this is the formula of finding the area of a general quadrilateral. Now our second formula is, suppose this is a quadrilateral which have four sides, and if the diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other, then how to finding the area of this quadrilateral? That is half into product of the diagonals. Product of the diagonals. So this is our second formula for finding the area of a quadrilateral. Now go to some special type of quadrilateral. The first one is given here, rectangle. So how to find out the area of a rectangle? Rectangle means which are opposite sides are equal. This is called rectangle. So how to find out the area of this rectangle? So that is nothing but length into breadth. Suppose length is here given L and breadth is here given D. So area will be is equal to length into breadth. Now how to find out the perimeter of the rectangle? So perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. Now suppose this is the diagonal of the rectangle, this is denoted by D. How to find out this value? D. So D is equal to, this is a hypotenuse. If you consider this triangle ABC, then we can see that this one is a right angle triangle and AC be the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So how to find out the hypotenuse? This will be D is equal to root over L square plus B square. Now go to number 4. Our fourth formula is square. So if a square is given, so what is the difference between square and rectangle? Rectangle has opposite sides are equal, and in a square all the sides are equal. Suppose the sides are A. Now how to find out the area of this square? This is A into A, that means A square. Perimeter is equal to, there four sides are all equal, that means 4 into A. Now how to find out the diagonal. So diagonal is equal to root over 2a square, because L is A and B is also A. That means 2a square happen. So it will be A root 2. Now go to our fifth formula. So fifth formula is given here, parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? If a quadrilateral opposite sides are parallel and equal happen, so this type of figure is called a parallelogram. These opposite sides are parallel happen. And how to find out the area of this parallelogram? Area is equal to base into height. What does it means? Suppose this is a ABCD parallelogram. If you consider AB as a base, and if you know the value of distance between this parallel side, this is called height of this parallelogram, if you consider this one as a base. So if this one is h, then it will be AB into h. If you consider this one as a base, AD as a base, then you have to know the distance between these two parallel sides, that means AD and BC. Suppose these two parallel side distance is L, that time AD into L happen. Here, now go to next one. Trapezium. Suppose this is a trapezium. A, B, C, D. So how to find out the area of this trapezium? That will be area is equal to half into sum of the parallel side. That means the parallel side is given here, AD and BC. Sum of the parallel side, that means AD plus BC, into perpendicular distance between them. Suppose this is the perpendicular distance, BE into BE happen. This is number 6. Now go to next one, rhombus. Suppose this is a rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel to each other, and the diagonals are bisect perpendicularly. That means perpendicularly bisect each other. So how to find out the area of this rhombus? This will be half into product of the diagonals. Product of the diagonals. So these are our formula. So these 7 formula you have to remember for solving the problem in this from this exercise. Thank you everyone.